Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are safe at home. Okay, in the previous class, what we are discussing? 7-digit numbers. 7-digit numbers? What do you mean by 7-digit numbers? A number having 7 digits. Then only the names of 7 digits? No, we are discussing how to count the 7-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. Then Indian number system, international number system, skip counting. Okay, are you remember that? Today we are discussing arranging the numbers. Arranging the numbers. What do you mean by arranging? We are arranging the books on the shelf and dresses on the shelf. That like we are arranging some orders, the numbers. The numbers arranging in some orders. That is arranging the numbers. In lower classes, you are studying arranging the numbers. How many orders are there? 2 orders. What are them? Ascending order, then descending order. Ascending order and first method is ascending order. Second, descending. Okay, then you say, what do you mean by ascending order? How we arrange the numbers in ascending order? Ascending order is the numbers are arranged in smaller to bigger. First we are writing small, then next small. Okay, smaller to bigger. The numbers are arranging in smaller to bigger is ascending order. Then what is descending order? Descending order is a numbers are arranging in bigger to smaller. Okay. And also you are studying how to arrange the numbers in this like 5-digit numbers how to arrange and 4-digit numbers how to arrange. That already you learned. Same way we are arranging the numbers. 7-digit numbers also. Same method. Okay. Then we will do some problems and explain how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. Write the numbers. Okay, I wrote here 6 numbers. What are the numbers? How we count the numbers? First we are checking the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we can read this number 23 lakh, 11,200. Here also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 31 lakh, 42,012. Here 20 lakh 50,320. Then 43 lakh 5,000. 23,000. 56 lakh 20,362. Then we will check it. How to arrange the numbers. Here first we are discussing how to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means we are taking the numbers are arranged in smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger. We want to find which is the smallest number here. How we find the smallest number? The smallest number of digit is smallest number. So we will check how many digits are here in each numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So, in remaining all numbers have 7 digit numbers, but only here 5 digit. So, this is the smallest number here. So, what is that? 23,000. Then second number, how we find? Remaining all have 7 digit number. Then we know. So next method we are following. Highest place digit we will check it. Highest place is here 10 lakh position. 10 lakh position. Here 2, here 3, here 2, here 4, here 5. 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. From these digits, not considering the numbers, from this digit which is the smallest digit? 2, 3, 4, 5 which is smallest 2. But here 2 in 2 numbers. The 10 lakh position 2 in 2 numbers. So we will check it. Next smallest place. Next is here 3, here 0. 3 or 0 which is smaller? 0. So we are considering this is the next smallest number. 20 lakh 50,320. Then third smallest number is 23 lakh 11,200. Okay. Then next we want to check here these 3 numbers. From these 3 numbers which is smaller? 3, 4, 5 which is smaller? 3. So 31 lakh 42,012 is the next smallest number. Then 4 or 5 which is smaller? 4. So 43 lakh 5,000 is the next smallest number. Okay. Then which is largest number here? 56 lakh 20,362 is the largest number here. Now we understand how to write in ascending order. First we are counting the digits which is smallest number of digits, that is smallest number. Then same number of digit we will check the highest place digit. Then highest place also same digits we will check it the next place. Okay, that like we will check and arranging the ascending order. Then the same numbers just we are arranging in descending order. Okay, we will check how to write the descending order in the same numbers. Okay, descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Bigger to smaller. So we want to check which is the biggest number here. Then I already count here how many digits are here. Then we want to count one more. Okay, then here 7 digits, here 7 digits, here also 7, here 7, here 5, here 7 digits. Okay. Then this is only 5 digits. So this is not a biggest number. Then we will check the highest place number. Highest place here 2, here 3, 2, 4, 5. From this numbers, which is biggest number 5. So 56 lakh 20,362 is the largest number here. Then remaining 2, 3, 2, 4, which is largest number 4. So 43 lakh 5,000 is the next largest number. 43 lakh 5,000 is the next largest number. Then next largest number is 3. So here 31 lakh 42,012 is the next largest number. Then here 2 and 2. From this, how we check the largest number? Largest place number is 2, here 2. Both have same numbers. Then we will check the next place. Next place here 3, here 0. 3 or 0, which is larger? 3. So this is the largest number. 23 lakh 11,200 is next largest number. The next 20 lakh 50,320. Then smallest number here 23,000. So now you understand how to write descending order in the given numbers. Want to do one more problem? Okay. And from this example we know that ascending and descending. From this problem we understand ascending order is the reverse order of descending order. Okay. Then we will do one more problem. Okay, here 73 lakh 2,562, 73 lakh 20,652, 73 lakh 2,256, 73 lakh 20,100, 73 lakh 30,562. So these are the given numbers. You ready to arrange these numbers in ascending order? Okay, do. Ascending order. Okay. Can I say the answer? Here, all have 7-digit numbers. We will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All have a 7-digit number. So, next what we want to check? The highest place number. Highest place is 10 lakh position. In 10 lakh position, here 7. Here also 7. 7. 7, 7. All numbers have 7 is the highest place digit. The next highest, here 3, here 3, here also 3, here 3. That also same numbers. The next place. Here 0, here 2, here 0, here 2, here 3. So, this varying digits are there. 0, 2, 0, 2, 3. So, which is the smallest number here? 0. 0. Here 2 numbers have 10,000 place is 0. So, we will check next place. Considering this 2 only. So, next place also same numbers 2. Then we are considering next place. Here 100 place. 100 place. Here 5, here 2. Which is 5 or 2 is smaller number? 2. So, we are considering this is the smallest number. 73 lakh 2256 is the smallest number here. Okay, next smallest number 73 lakh 2562. Then we will consider these 3 numbers. From this, we already checked. Highest place is 7. The next place 3 is common. Then here 2, 2, 3. 2 or 3, which is smaller 2. So in this 2 numbers, 2 is the 10,000 place. So we are considering the next number. Here also 0. Then we are considering next place. Here 6, here 1. 6 or 1, which is smaller 1. So we are considering this is the next smallest. 73 lakh 20,100 is the next smallest. Next is 73 lakh 20,652. The largest number is 73 lakh 30,562. So how many of them got this answer? Okay, same way, same problem we will do descending order. Descending order is the reverse of ascending. So we will write this is first. 73 lakh 30,562. The next number 73 lakh 20,652. Next 73 lakh 20,100. 73 lakh 2,562. Smallest number is 73 lakh 2,256. Okay, all I got this answer. Now anyone have doubt for the arranging numbers in ascending and descending order? We will do one more problem from your textbook. Okay. We will do one more problem from your textbook. Can I read the question? And numbers only I wrote here. Okay. The cost of apartment 1, AP1, I wrote short form here, apartment 1, AP1, rupees 38 lakh 12,902. The cost of apartment 1 is 38 lakh 12,902. Apartment 2 is rupees 71 lakh 23,456. Apartment 2, the cost of apartment 2 is 71 lakh 23,456. Apartment 3 is rupees 71 lakh 21,029. Okay. This is the cost of apartment 1, apartment 2, apartment 3. Our question is, which is the costliest flat? From this apartments, which is the costly flat? That is our question. That means here costly is given. Then costly flat means which is the largest cost, that is costliest flat. From this, which is the largest cost? 38 lakh 12,902 or 71 lakh 23,456 or 71 lakh 21,029. Which is the largest number here or costly number here? Okay, we will check the largest places. Here largest place is 3, here 7, here 7. 3 or 7, which is largest? 7. Then we will check next place, this 2. From this 2 we will check it. Next place 1, 1. That also same. Next place 2, 2. That also same. The next place 3, 1. 3 or 1 is larger? 3. So this is the costly. From this is largest amount. So this apartment 2 is the costliest flat. Okay. We'll check with, from this numbers which is the largest number, that is the costliest flat. Then one more question is there. Which is the cheapest flat? Cheapest flat means low cost flat. From this number we are taking which is the low cost. From this, which is the smallest number? 38 lakh. Because 3 highest place is 3, 7, 7. 3 or 7, which is smallest number? 3. So this is the smallest number. So this is the cheapest cost also. 38 lakh 12,902. So in this cost is apartment 1. Okay. Then our question is, which is the cheapest flat? Apartment 1. Costliest flat? Apartment 2. Okay. Anyone? Today we are discussing arranging the numbers. Arranging the numbers. How we arrange? 2 orders we are arranging. Ascending order and descending order. Okay. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Then anyone have doubt for this ascending and descending order and arrange the numbers? Okay, we will do more problems later. Okay, thank you.